Alam mo, kaming lahat suffer from that, sasabihin, utos ni Presidente, utos ni Secretary, utos ni ganto. Tapos, hindi naman totoo. Kaya, we'll have to look. Kung totoo, di may problema. Na talagang inutos. Pero hindi, ang nakikita ko, we are all of us who are in high positions of high offices in government, all of us suffer that. Akala ko approve mo eh. Hindi, wala akong alam dyan. Sabi ni ganito, ikaw daw mga nagpa-approve nito. Sabi ko, sasabihin mo, hindi, wala akong alam dyan. Alam naman ninyo yan. Name drop lahat. Magpapakuha ng picture. Tapos sasabihin, oh, tingnan mo, malapit kami. Sa isang araw, 1,000 yung nagpapapicture sa akin eh. So lahat yung 1,000 na yun, malapit sa akin. Di ba? So people have to be more careful. At wag silang masyadong gullible. But again, it's something that all of us who are in high office suffer. All of us.